Hey guys, I'm just gonna make a quick video to show you how to do this because you're gonna need to put in a credit card information. So I think this would be the easiest way to do this. So I brought up the SNAPPS.ai login page here. Put in your name, email, your password, hit sign in. Okay. Now, as you can see, it doesn't show up here. Now, this is going to be a time-sensitive thing, so we want to make sure we get this done as soon as possible. Okay, otherwise it'll time out. Go over here to transfer requests. As you can see, we got it over here. You want to hit accept. Then you're going to want to go to select plan, hit single site. So like I said, it'll be $19 a month. Come down to continue, and then put in your guys' information here, okay? If you guys send me in other issues, let me know. I can always help walk you through it. Talk to you guys later.